What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I want to make a quick, very quick, hopefully fairly brief review video of the LasFit LED headlights. This is going to go into the Toyota Prius. So here's a quick look at the box. It's actually a very premium box. And since it's going to go into the Prius, it's only proper we open up on top of the engine cover that I don't put on anymore because the car burns so much damn oil. The oil cover just gets in the way of putting oil in it. Here's your free 30-day return. All right, toss that out the way. Product manual. All right. Yep, it's a manual. Okay, now let's get to the meat of it. Here are the LED headlights. Let's pull one of these bad boys out for you. Big shout out to LasFit. I hope I'm pronouncing that right for sending these out to me. Here's what the actual headlight looks like. It's got a nice size heatsink. This is all aluminum. This is a very solid construction. I love the way it feels. Got your dual, what are these called? SM LEDs or something like that. All right. There's your little connector. On the Prius, it's got low beams and high beams. So obviously these are going to be the low beams. So we got to go out to the Prius and install these. But first, we got to show you how it looks with the factory headlights. So let's do that now. All right, so stepping up to the Prius, they made this pretty easy. This isn't too difficult. Instead of having to take the bumper off, you simply climb under here and you grab onto this little plug over here. Well, the plug that can't seem to get in focus anyway. Reach in here, twist it to the left. I think it's to the left. Yeah, there we go. Let's see if we can clear that up for you there. Nope, not gonna clear up. Anyway, let's change out these bulbs. It looks like on this side, oh man, I don't know if I can get to that one. We'll see if I can reach it. There's just not a lot of room to work with here. But yeah, I think, I'll tell you what, let's shut this off. Basically, you got to be a contortionist to get back there and get that off. We may have to unbolt this or something, but we'll figure it out. Let's get these headlights in. All right, we got the new headlight plugged in. Right here, we got our connector all hooked up. Now it's just a matter of getting the sucker back there in its little hidey hole. And then we'll compare the two headlights side by side, see if we can see a difference. All right, let's see how difficult they're gonna make this. I wondered what one of these things looks like. There it is. Good God. Wow. All right, I don't think you have to be a rocket scientist here to figure out who the winner is going to be on this. Man, look at the brightness. Wow. Now, I want to point something out to you guys real quick. These things can be plugged in backwards. So if you plug it in, I about got real angry. I plugged my light in because it'll plug in either way. I plugged it in, it did not come on. And then I read the instructions. And the instructions said, if you plug it in and the light doesn't come on, you might have it backwards. Flip it around, came right on. So let's switch this one out and let's take another look. All right, I'm not even gonna lie. This difference is significant would be an understatement. Jeez. All right, I'm not even gonna lie to you either. I had to pull this headlight part way out. The headlight had to come part way out. I had to pull the I got bigger hands, so I had to pull the coolant reservoir out. It's kind of a pain to get down to it, but being that they're LEDs, these things should last a whole lot longer than traditional halogen bulbs, and they're brighter. Now let's take a look from inside the car and see what they look like shining down the road. Big shout out and thank you to LasFit. In fact, LasFit, if you guys are watching this video, you could send me another set for my Chevy Cruze, 2012 Chevy Cruze. I'll be more than happy to demonstrate another set of these from you guys. These things run cooler, they use less energy, and it's something like a Prius. Man, battery energy is everything, so less power being used, the better. They run cooler, they are brighter, they're whiter. Look at that. That is just phenomenal. phenomenal. So I'm going to put a link down in the description for you guys. I want to copy yourselves a set of these LasFit LED headlights. Grab them up. Look at these things, man. Very, very impressive. Very impressive. Now, that's not all for the video. I got something else for you guys. All right, so LasFit has said they're going to give away a set of these LED bulbs to you guys. One of my lucky subscribers, do me a favor, like this video and comment down below. And I'm going to pick one of you. One of you will be picked to get this set of bulbs for your specific vehicle. Now, keep in mind, if your vehicle uses HID headlights, it's not going to work for your car. These are not HIDs. They got to be halogen bulbs, all right? But if you want to win a set of these, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and I will pick one of you ladies or gentlemen out there randomly, and you will be the one that I'll have LasFit send the set of bulbs out to for your specific car. Check out the link in the description if you just want to go snatch some up for yourself. Stay safe out there, everybody. I will catch you very soon in the next one.